Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up hotkeys on TradingView. Hotkeys are incredibly powerful tools that allow you to execute trading actions with remarkable speed and precision. By customizing your keyboard shortcuts, you can streamline your workflow, saving valuable seconds during critical moments. This easy method will help you personalize your TradingView experience, making your analysis and trading much more efficient and responsive. Get ready to transform your trading setup. To begin, open your TradingView chart and navigate to the Settings menu. You'll typically find this by clicking the gear icon. Once inside the settings, look for a tab labeled Hotkeys or Keyboard Shortcuts. This is your gateway to personalizing your trading experience. Clicking on it will reveal a comprehensive list of all the actions and tools that can be assigned a custom keyboard shortcut, ready for your adjustments. Now let's customize. Within the hotkey settings, you will see a list of actions. Simply click on the action you want to modify. Then, press the key or key combination you wish to use as your new shortcut. For example, you might assign Ctrl+T to a trend line tool. The system will usually alert you if there is a conflict, so always double-check to ensure your new hotkey is unique and functional. Imagine assigning T for a trend line or R for a rectangle tool. You could even set up Ctrl+1 for a 1-minute chart and Ctrl+5 for a 5-minute chart. These small adjustments accumulate into significant time savings over a trading day. Hotkeys empower you to react faster, execute trades more smoothly, and maintain focus without constantly reaching for your mouse. It's a powerful upgrade for any trader.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.